Ouch, that hurts. Can you be more gentle with me?
I am sorry to see that you ended up as a leather wallet.
Who are you and where are you?
I am the fork roasted pork meat here on the top of her rice.
We share the same fate.
If only human can hear our voices, before ending up here as a lifeless meal. 6 months ago, I was a little piglet. Let me tell you my story. My mom was restrained and forced to breed so I could be born into a world of greed. Then they pull out my teeth and they take my tail. And then they castrate me if I am a male. I will spend my short life, never seeing the light, always confined, never able to run. When I am 6 months old, my end will be here, sent to slaughter for the meal on your plate. I want to live, but to you, I am just a product from birth.
Me too. The day I was born, I was torn away from my mother to a dark and scary place. I was then kept in the wooden barren crate, and when I was old enough, they dumped me at the auction to be sold and raised for cheap ground beef or leather. And when my end is here, I have only one consoling thought. I'm thinking of my mother and her smell. I know we shall meet in heaven and forget this place called hell. If only she knew.